Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the topic nucleic acid, structure of DNA and functions of DNA. Nucleic acid is a complex organic compound present in living cells and viruses composed of purines, pyrimidines, carbohydrates and phosphoric acid. Nucleic acid is essential for storage and expression of genetic information. It is in the form of DNA and RNA, controls cellular functions and heredity material. DNA is a polymer of deoxyribonucleotides composed of monomeric units deoxydenylate, deoxyguanylate, deoxycytidylate and deoxythymidylate. Primary structure of DNA is the sequence of nucleotide in which guanine, thymine, adenine and cytosine and phosphate linkage is present. Double helical structure of DNA was proposed by Weston and Crick in 1953. DNA is a right-handed double helix. It consists of two polyoxyribonucleotide chain twisted around each other on a common axis of symmetry. The two strands are antiparallel. One strand runs in 5 to 3 direction while the other strand runs in 3 to 5 direction antiparallel direction. Width or diameter of a double helix is 20 nanometer. Each turn of helix is 3.4 nanometer with 10 pairs of nucleotides, each pair placed at a distance of about 3.4 nanometer. The DNA helix, the hydrophilic deoxyribose phosphate backbone of each chain, is on the outside of molecule, whereas the hydrophobic bases are stacked inside the chain. The polynucleotide chains are not identical but complementary to each other due to base pairing. Two strands are held together by hydrogen bond, adenine or thymine, guanine or cytosine. DNA helix proof Cherenkov. The hydrogen bonds are formed between purine and pyrimidines. The genetic information reside on one of two strands is known as template strand or sense strand. The opposite strand is called antisense strand. On the opposite side of DNA helical structure. Here is structure that nucleotide pairing is formed between thymine and adenine and cytosine and guanine. The special relationship between two strands in the helix creates a major groove and minor groove. Minor groove is a shadow furrow in the molecular structure of DNA double helix which measure 1.2 nanometer across and extend the entire length of DNA as long as the molecule remain in a normal. Major groove has the nitrogen and oxygen atoms of the base pairing pointing inward toward the helical axis, whereas in the minor groove nitrogen and oxygen atom points outward, important because the major groove is more dependent on base composition and may be the site for protein recognition. And major groove is specific for the protein recognition of specific DNA or areas. This is the structure of minor groove and major groove, which is indicated by blue and yellow balls. Conformation of DNA double helix. The double helical structure of DNA exists in 6 forms: A, B, Z, D, E and Z form. Among these, B, A and Z forms are important. B form is more predominant form under physiological condition. A form is also right-handed. Helix contain 11 base pairs. There is tilting of base pair by 20 degree away from the central axis. Z form is a left-handed helix and contain 12 base pair per turn. The polynucleotide strand of DNA move in somewhat zigzag fashion, hence called Z-DNA. Other types of DNA also exist in unusual structure. These structures are important for molecular recognition of DNA by protein and enzymes. This is the structure of DNA: A form, B form, and Z form. Organization of DNA in cell. Prokaryotic DNA. DNA is organized as single chromosomes in the form of double-stranded circle packed in the form of nucleoside. Eukaryotic DNA is associated with various proteins to form the chromatin, which is organized into compact structure chromosomes. Compactation of DNA in eukaryotic chromosomes. Next is the functions of DNA. That in our body, how DNA functions to maintain our body. Functions of DNA. DNA carry genetic information and transmit it to the next generation. It determines an organism character. It can easily be copied. DNA is act as template for its own replication, thus maintain genotype, responsible for maintaining the identity of different species of organism over millions of years. DNA form RNA through a process is called transcription, responsible for growth and maintenance of life in organism. It is not surprising that the discovery of DNA has led to such a great number of developments in treating diseases. DNA holds the instruction for organism development and reproduction. Ultimately, DNA is very important for a body. Ultimately, it's a survival for an organism. This is structure and function of DNA. Thank you so much.